We're David and Sarah, and we love to travel. Recently, we ran into a roadblock though. Luckily, it didn't take me long to figure out a good solution. Alright. Sarah figured out a good solution.
Either way, we decided on a working holiday in Canada, and we'd like you to share this experience with us. Hey guys, it's future David and Sarah here. We just wanted to let you know quickly that we will be doing a Q&A in the near future. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below and we will answer them in our Q&A video.
We lost our Sunnybrae. Now we have to do it by hand. Why? Because somebody left it on the route. That was me. Good morning everybody, we are going exploring today.
We're going to the Sicamous lookout and we're going to go and see some waterfalls today. We're going to have some breakfast first and...
Do you reckon there'll still be water? Or will there be ice?
I don't know, they might be ice.
Who knows? It might be an ice fall.
Welcome back to our channel. There's been a lot of controversy on a lot of our videos, so mainly just two. But we are going to have a chat about that later on today in the video. So stick around, stay tuned, it's going to be a good day. Have we learnt our lesson? Do we have enough fuel? No.
No. Fuel's very expensive.
Obviously, we have to go and get a little something because we're a little bit hungry at the moment and it's a long drive.
Could I just get one small extra hot flat white please? One chicken and bacon on brioche and that's all, thank you.
Okay, that's enough with that cake. It's not even recording.
It doesn't matter if it's recording or not. That's what I do. Thank you.
Woohoo! This is what I got. It's like a chicken bacon on brioche. Alright, so we had to do a little detour. We don't have any water.
In our windscreen washer.
In our windscreen washer.
We can't see out the window.
I just wanted to say welcome to all our new Canadian subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking around on our journey here in Canada. I just wanted to let you guys know the reason why we say ice hockey is because we are not from Canada, we're from Australia. In Australia or South Africa or New Zealand, hockey, just hockey is like a different sport. You can do field hockey that does not include skates or ice or anything like that. So when we put up videos like that, I know to you guys it's like annoying and it's like, that's not what we call it here in Canada. But we're putting it up because we've got Canadian audience, but we've also got an Australian audience. To explain it more better to them, we just put ice hockey so that they know we're talking about the hockey that is on ice, not the hockey that's on a field. Just thought I'd give you a little rundown.
Okay, rant over. Mission accomplished. I was wondering why this doesn't freeze. It's got an antifreeze in it. It can go to negative 40 degrees. How smart.
That's awesome. But we've gotten stuck in snow before. It's not fun. It's a horrible experience. And the lady said that it's icy up there. Even four-wheel drives get stuck. So we're not going to risk it. So unfortunately today, maybe in summer we will, but today we are not going to be going to the Sicamous lookout. But we do have some other things planned. We might go and see a waterfall. Okay, so we made it, and I'm just going to be changing these shoes to snow boots because there's a lot the snow out there.
How cool is this? Is that the coolest toilet you've ever been to?
We made it to Margaret Falls. We couldn't go to the Sicamous lookout because obviously we would have got stuck. Yeah.
This is such a nice place. Like the river, it like goes under the bits of ice, so all you can see is pond, ice, pond, but it's all flowing. It's so cool.
We still haven't even seen the waterfall yet, but the hike is like stunning
It's so
enough.
nice. This time of year especially, I think. Just like a walk that weaves back and forward across this frozen river, across these wooden bridges. It looks so cool.
And all the snow is falling off the leaves of the tree, so it makes it look like it's snowing. It's just absolutely breathtaking.
What?
He wants to do it.
What?
He wants to. No.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, do not. Do not. Okay, it's my turn with my non-waterproof gloves.
No, you're gonna get so wet.
Oh, that actually went in your face. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, wipe it off with your snowy glove. Yeah. Have you ever wondered what happens when you throw a snowball into a frozen, freezing, flowing river? Stick around. You're about to find out.
It melts.
Nothing really happened.
This is so cool.
It's very loud.
Yeah, it is loud. There's like icicles at the top.
I wonder if it freezes over.
Yeah, me too. Comment below. Let us know. It's so beautiful! So we hope you enjoyed those stunning views of Margaret Falls. We have decided to come and eat at Mr. Mike's Steakhouse. So we'll see how it goes. The food looks really good. If you've been here before, comment below what you usually order here and maybe we'll try it next time. What did you get? Or is it just a
I got a classic Mr. Mike burger with an extra patty and cheese and a poutine. Don't know what that is. Loves me some poutine.
Take a bite of your burger.
Do I just put this on?
Yeah, I guess.
Loves me some pickle. Also, so good. They give you like complimentary tomato sauce everywhere you go with fries. Thanks, Canada.
We love Canada. Good. I love salmon. I love seafood. These are prawns and lobster. Perfection. That is so good. I don't know what's in it. I don't know if it's like butter, there's like some tomatoes in there, and some green onions, green beans. I've got some mashed potato with green onions on top, and this salmon has like citrus, is it orange citrus or something?
Just citrus glaze.
Like citrus glaze on it, so it's delicious, divine. This has to be one of the top 10 meals that I've had in my life.
In your life.
In my life. Mr. Mike's Steakhouse, you're awesome. Well guys, thank you so much for coming along with us today. We are really enjoying living here in BC.
So many beautiful things to see and do, and it's really nice. Loving the weather, loving everything. It's really cool at the moment.
And we hope to see you in the next video.
See ya.